Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to program Homelink garage door opener without remote. Complete step-by-step setup tutorial. Step 1. Park your vehicle near the garage door. Step 2. Turn on the vehicle ignition if needed. Step 3. Find the Learn, Smart or Program button on the garage door opener motor. Step 4. Press and release the Learn button. The opener is now in programming mode. Step 5. Go back to your vehicle within 30 seconds. Step 6. Press and hold the Home Link button you want to program for about 2 seconds. Step 7. Release the button. Step 8. Press the same Home Link button again for 2 seconds, then release. Step 9. Repeat once more if needed. Step 10. Wait for the garage door to move or the opener light to flash, confirming the connection. Step 11. Press the Home Link button once to test it. Step 12. If the garage door opens or closes, programming is complete. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.